you know what are common factors? Common factors are the factors which are common to two numbers. That is, they are the common friends of two numbers. So 10 has its factors or friends as 10, 2, 1 and 5. And 15 has its factors or friends as 3, 15, 1 and 5. So we see that 1 and 5 are the common friends of 10 as well as 15. So 1 and 5 are the common friends of 10 and 15. So they are the common factors of 10 and 15. You have also learned how to find the common factors. We can find the common factors of two numbers by the listing method. So suppose I want to find the common factors of 72 and 150. So I can list down or write down all the factors of both the numbers and then compare to see what the common factors are. So factors of 72 are these numbers and factors of 150 are these numbers. So can you see how many factors each of them has? There are so many factors of 72 and so many factors of 150. Now if I compare them, if I start comparing them, it would be quite a time consuming process. So is there any easier method to find the common factors of these two numbers? Let us see. So I can use prime factorization to find the common factors of two numbers in an easier way. How? First, you need to break up the numbers into the product of prime numbers. This is what prime factorization is. So 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 and 3 are the prime numbers and 72 can be written as a product of prime numbers in this way. Similarly, 150 can be written as a product of prime numbers in this way. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So once we have done this, what do we need to do next? I need to find the common prime numbers. How do I do that? So 72 has got 1, 2. Now 150 also has a 2. So 1 of the common prime factors is 2. Now 72 has got one more 2. But there is no more 2 in 150. So this will not be included. Once again 72 has one more 2. But there is no more 2 in 150. 72 has got a 3. And I have a 3 in 150 as well. So 3 is another prime factor. 72 has got another 3. But there is no more 3 in 150. So this is not considered. Now what is left? There are 2 5s in 150. But we have already covered all the prime factors of 72. So I don't need to check for these. So the only common prime factors are 2 and 3. So the common prime factors of 72 and 150 are 2 and 3. But I want to find all the common factors. Now these are common prime factors, only the common prime factors. But I need to find all the common factors, be it prime or non-prime. So how can I do that? So first I need to consider the common prime factors one by one. So first I consider 2. So 2 is a common factor. Then I consider 3. So 3 is a common factor. Now since there are 2 common prime factors, I need to combine the 2 to get a common factor. So 2 into 3 What is 2 into 3? 6. So these are the common factors, but we are missing out on another factor, which is 1. 1 is a common factor to any two pair of numbers, because 1 is always a factor of 72 and a factor of 150. So 1 will be a common factor of both the numbers. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is how you can find the common factors of two numbers by prime factorization method. How can you do that? First, prime factorize the two numbers. Then check the common prime factors. Now write the common prime factors. First take 1. Then take all the possible combinations of the common prime factors. So 2 is written individually, 3 is written individually, 2 into 3, that is 2 and 3 taken together give us 6, which is what is there. This is the complete list of common factors. Now can you find the common factors of 45 and 90 by prime factorization method? So how do we do that? First, we need to write 45 and 90 as a product of their prime numbers. So 45 is 3 into 15, but 15 is not a prime number. It is a composite number. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 90 is 2 into 45. 45 is 3 into 15. And this 15 is once again 3 into 5. So 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. And 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is how I can write 45 and 90 as a product of prime numbers. Now the next thing is to find out the common prime numbers. So I have a 3 here and I have a 3 here. So one of the common prime numbers is 3. I have another 3 here and another 3 here. So since 3 is there 2 times in both of them, I need to write 3 twice. So I not just consider the number but also how many times it is coming in both. So since 3 is coming 2 times in both 45 and 90, I write it 2 times. It is very important. 45 has got a 5 and 90 has also got a 5. So these are the common prime factors. So common prime factors are 3, 3 and 5. Now I need to write all possible combinations using these 3. So how can we do that? First, consider one at a time. The first factor to consider is 1. Now I've got a 3 here. So I write a 3. I have another 3. 3 will be considered only once when I write the common factors. Now I have a 5 here. So I write 5. Now I need to take 2 at a time. So if I take these 2, that is 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 gives me 9. Next I take these 2. 3 into 5 is 15. Now if I take this 3 and 5, 3 into 5 is again 15. So I have already taken 15. So I don't need to write it again. So I have taken 1 at a time. I have taken 2 at a time. Now I need to take all 3 together because there are 3 common prime factors. So taking all 3 together, what do I get? 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 5 is 45. So I get 45 taking all 3 together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 common factors of 45 and 90. So the common factors of 45 and 90 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. And you see, we have found it so easily using the prime factorization method. Now you may be thinking, why do we need to find common factors? Well, you will soon understand why do we need to find common factors when we learn the highest common factor or the concept of HCF. But for now, this is how you can find the common factors of two numbers in a simpler manner. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.